So in this video, because I'm still learning, I call things the wrong things. Like I referred to the spur center right here attached to the spindle, at least once I believe, and I've probably made other mistakes. So I thought I'd show you this little schematic and also show you this one here, the parts and items. So anything that I mess up in my terminology can be corrected by looking here. So I'm going to do a quick review today on the ShopFox W1704. I didn't find much online when I was looking to order a mini wood lathe, so thought I'd go ahead and do a little overview of this one. It comes with everything I need to get started. It's got a faceplate with a bunch of different holes so you can do different sizes. Your adjustment wrench, a couple different Allen wrenches for your set screws. Comes with two different size tool rests for your working area. Comes with your knockout tool, which can be used for two different things, knocking out. Right here, your spur center. Got your quill down here, and also this goes in here so when you're tightening your faceplate on, you use the wrench and the knockout tool both to get it nice and tight. So I am brand new to trying to turn some wood, and this is going to be a learning experience as much for me as it is for anybody trying to learn about the ShopFox. So stick around, and I'm going to try and actually spin something. I spun a handle the other day for a barbecue grilling fork, which was real simple, just off a tree limb. But I'm going to try a little different today, and I really don't know what I'm doing. I got different size chisels, I think they're called, for different things. So anybody who knows what they're doing will probably look at this and be like, this guy doesn't know what he's doing. But anybody who's buying this, it's probably their first one, and they'll be learning just like me. One of the complaints I saw online was that these little balls spin off very easy, and while you're lathing, they can fall off and disappear. And I did notice that's true. They seem to spin right off. So I made a simple thing. I don't see any reason to ever have to take them off. So I dropped a little super glue down into them, and I'm going to do it to these up here now, but it seems to have corrected that problem. All right, so I've got the approximate center marked on this, and I'll put the spindle in there because that's what I've seen guys do on YouTube, is mark it out so they know. I think that'll help keep the vibration down by getting it centered pretty good. So I'll get the spindle set and we'll get started. And since my spindle's already in there, I'll show you how the knockout tool works. Goes right in here, and it's up against the back of the spindle, and just gives it a few pops, and out it comes. So before we start spinning here, you can see got it all set up. We got clearance, it spins freely. Got the tool rest all locked in. Everything's locked in tight, so now we'll start spinning, and try not to laugh at me. So for easy operation, you got your on-off switch right here, and your speed control for your RPMs here, which go from 750 up to 3200. So we'll turn it on. Got it at slow speed, and then you can see as I increase it gradually up to 3200. As you can see, I wasn't able to get the spindle in right, I think, and it was just not working right, which is probably a learning curve on my part. So I'm going to go ahead and use the base plate and try that out. So simply screw it on. Okay, it's hand tight. So now, use my knockout tool and a wrench to snug it down and give it a whirl. Much better. Okay, so here is the final product. My first attempt at spinning a little bowl. And it came out okay for me. I hope I get better each time. Hardest part for me was trying to figure out what speeds to use and what tools to use to cut right. And inside, you can see my transitions weren't the greatest. But it's my first one. It's all oiled up now, so I don't know, probably sit on the counter and hopefully not collect dust, but put some M&Ms in it or something like that. So hope you enjoyed it, and I look forward to doing more of these and hopefully getting better. Or you can let the wife take a look at it and decide she wants it for a candle holder. So there's what my first real project turned into.